A few months ago, I realized something. Every afternoon I felt tired, hungry, and tempted to snack on anything I could find. I thought I needed more willpower, but the truth was, I just needed better lunches. So I challenged myself to create simple, healthy lunches that would actually keep me full and help with weight loss, without feeling like I was on a diet. And today, I'm sharing the 10 lunches that completely changed my routine. Day 1 started simple. I wanted something fresh, filling, and high in protein. I grilled a seasoned chicken breast until golden and juicy, then layered it over a bowl of mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and creamy avocado slices. A drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon brought everything together. It was light, but surprisingly satisfying, and I didn't feel the usual afternoon slump. On day 2, I needed something hearty. I roasted zucchini and bell peppers until slightly caramelized, then added them to fluffy quinoa and chickpeas. A quick tahini and lemon dressing made it rich and comforting. This one kept me full for hours, proof that healthy carbs can absolutely work for weight loss. This became my go-to on busy days. I mixed tuna with creamy Greek yogurt instead of mayo, added crunchy celery, then wrapped it all in a whole grain wrap with crisp lettuce. Quick, protein-packed, and perfect when you don't have time to cook. Some days you just want comfort food. I simmered lentils with carrots, celery, onions, and warm spices until everything softened into a hearty, nourishing soup. It felt like a warm hug, and it was incredibly filling for very few calories. When I wanted something light but crunchy, this was the winner. I spread hummus onto crisp lettuce leaves, added lean turkey slices, shredded carrots, and cucumber strips. It's like a sandwich, just fresher and lighter. This was my clean out the fridge lunch. I sautéed mixed vegetables, then scrambled eggs right into the pan and finished with a splash of soy sauce. Simple, savory, and packed with protein. I used to overlook cottage cheese, now it's a staple. I topped it with cucumber, tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, and a little black pepper. This lunch felt like a restaurant meal at home. I baked a salmon fillet until flaky, served it with brown rice and steamed broccoli, then added a squeeze of lemon. Healthy fats plus protein, the perfect combo for staying full. This one was perfect for meal prep. I mixed chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, parsley, olive oil, and lemon juice. Then let it chill so the flavors could blend. Refreshing, simple, and ready whenever hunger hits. By the final day, I wanted something fun. I lightly sautéed zucchini noodles, added grilled chicken and tomatoes, then tossed everything with pesto. It felt like pasta, but lighter and energizing. After weeks of eating lunches like these, the biggest change wasn't just the number on the scale. It was how I felt: more energy, fewer cravings, and no afternoon crash. Weight loss doesn't have to mean boring meals or tiny portions. Sometimes it just means choosing foods that actually fuel you. If you're trying to eat healthier, start with just one of these lunches this week. Small changes really do add up. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment your favorite lunch, and subscribe for more simple, healthy recipes. Because healthy eating should feel realistic, not restrictive.